Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to the Farm Wolf. Today I'm going to be cutting a little bit of hay. I'm going to bring you along. We'll just see how it goes. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And if you like hay videos, I've got some videos from like last year or 2 years ago where I cut, raked, and baled hay. So feel free to watch those. And again, if you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And my new Holland 488. And last year I didn't have air conditioning. It's 82 degrees right now. Everybody knows it's running 86 series, how hot the cab can be. Well, I got it this year, and between working and trying to put this hay up, I don't have a lot of time. I got it this year to cut the hay, and I just turned my blower motor on just so I'd have some warm air blowing around. Like I said, it's 82 degrees, and the blower motor ain't working. So you can imagine being inside the cab of an 86 series with no air and no blower motor, how hot it is. actually the next day. I cut yesterday evening until it got kind of too dark to see what I was doing. I walked out through the hayfield. I noticed there's a couple of places where the conditioner didn't really cut. I think, you know, the dew coming on, making it a little bit too wet. I don't normally cut hay when the dew's on, but I was just trying to get as much of it cut as I could yesterday. And it's like I said, it got too dark to see, so I had to stop. I've got a little bit more to cut today. I've got the center part of the field, which maybe 3 swaths I would think would take care of that. And then I've got to cut the outside of the field, and I'll show you what I got left. Now that I'm out here looking, it's a little different than what I remembered it last night. I just got center of the field here. So that looks like, you know, probably 1 swath would take that. Down at the end of the field, I think it was a little bit wider. So probably a couple swaths there, and then it's probably hard to see on the camera here, but the edge of the field, when I broke it open, I had the outside of the tractor. I had the tractor on the outside of the field and my conditioner on the inside. Always run around the outside of the field and cut in. And when I'm done, I'll go the opposite way and have the conditioner on the outside, and I'll cut that part that I left when I opened the field. So probably not a lot left to do on this field, not like I thought. On this video, I didn't get a lot of outside shots of the tractor going by. I've got a few of them. Normally when I do a video, I try to get a little more, you know, footage of the outside of the tractor and the conditioner cutting. I didn't do much of that on this one just because I was in a hurry, and it takes a lot of time, it really does, to shut everything down, get out of the tractor, set the camera up, get back in, start everything up, drive away from the camera, stop everything, get back out, get your camera, set it back up at another angle, start everything. I was already fighting time, so I just wanted to get it done, and I thought it might be a good video, just show you a lot of the inside view of the cab, you know, looking back and forth. Back behind me cutting, in front of me cutting, and let you see what I see. So I hope maybe, even though there's not a lot of outside shots, I hope you enjoyed that. Slow right now. I'm going in first gear, and the reason why I'm doing that is the conditioner over there. There's some hay over there on the edge that's already been cut. It's laying down. So I found out if I go slow, it'll usually try to pull that cut hay in through the reel, and it'll go ahead and cut it. If I go fast over hay I've already cut, it slows the conditioner down. I think when I first took off, you can probably see the reel was turning real slow, and it'll end up clogging the conditioner, and it'll just drag the hay down. It won't hopefully, you know, my sickle won't get clogged. This will be the last little strip in the middle. Doing this outside part, you know, I got the trees over there, the fence, and I've got some areas I need to watch, not get my conditioner in, and I just found it's easier to go slow. You go in third or fourth gear and try to get it done quick. Taking it a little bit slower, there's less chance of an accident. Here is a look at the field now that I've got it all cut. Hopefully tomorrow or maybe the next day, I'll be raking this up and baling it. If you're wondering, I'm using a new Holland 488 conditioner. Usually I can mow, cut hay in low fourth with the TA forward, so direct drive. Last night I wasn't able to do that, I think because it was getting wet, you know, a little bit of moisture on it, so I had to go low third, TA forward, which direct drive. But I usually have pretty good luck with this conditioner. I can cut about 4.5, 5 mile an hour, just depends. I hope you enjoyed this video. I told you at the beginning of the video how my fan wasn't working. I'm sure that's something simple, probably a mouse got in there, chewed a wire. Wire could have fell off. Notice I didn't have time to mess with it. But again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.